Welcome to Mexico, where ancient pyramids still rise quietly above the jungle canopy. Mexico City carries centuries of history in a single square. Empires built, rebuilt, and remembered. At Tulum, ancient ruins sit quietly above the Caribbean Sea, a view that hasn't changed in 1,000 years. Beneath the jungle floor, hidden pools of clear water wait in silence, sacred spaces carved by time itself. Mexican cuisine is built on generations of tradition, fresh tortillas, sizzling tacos, and flavors passed down by hand. In Oaxaca, tradition moves through the streets in color and rhythm, a culture that celebrates itself openly. Copper Canyon cuts deeper than the Grand Canyon itself, layers of red rock telling a story millions of years old. Guanajuato's hillside streets glow with color at every turn, a city that feels like a painting come to life. On Dia de los Muertos, marigolds light the way for those remembered, a celebration of life wrapped around loss. Along Baja California, desert meets ocean without warning, a coastline shaped by contrast. Every hand-painted figure carries a story, craftsmanship passed quietly from one generation to the next. Mexico isn't just history and color, it's a culture still very much alive. Subscribe and join us, a new country every day.